In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup of your Wix website. Whether you're making big changes, wanting an extra layer of security, or simply keeping your creations safe, knowing how to back up your site is essential. So let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, go to your Wix account homepage. You'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, your command center for managing all aspects of your site. From here, head over to the CMS section. CMS stands for Content Management System, and this is where you can handle all your website content efficiently. Once you're in the CMS area, look for the option that says More Actions. It's a drop-down menu with several useful options that allow you to manage your site with more control. Click that and you should see a link labeled Backups. Select this and you'll find yourself ready to make a new backup of your website's data. To create a backup, simply hit the Create Backup button. This option will save the current state of your website, ensuring that if anything goes wrong, you have a point to return to. Once the backup is complete, you'll see an option to Restore. This lets you revert your site to a previous state, a handy feature if you ever need to undo changes or recover lost content. After creating your backup, click on Home on the dashboard to return. On this main page, find the Site Actions button. This is your gateway to performing general site management tasks. Within the Site Actions menu, there's an option called Duplicate Spend. By clicking Duplicate Site, you're essentially creating a full-fledged copy of your entire site. This is ideal not just for backups, but also for testing out new ideas or designs without affecting your main site. Give your duplicate site a unique name. This will help you differentiate it from your live site and any other backups you've created. Finally, click the Duplicate button to complete the process. You're now all set with a reliable copy tucked away safely. Having this duplicate ensures that you have a comprehensive backup of your site, covering not just data, but the design and structure as well. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to create a backup of your Wix website. By following these steps, you're securing your hard work and creativity against unexpected data loss. Remember to perform regular backups, especially before making significant changes to your site. This way, you can always restore it to a prior state if necessary. Thanks for watching, and happy backing up!